I didn't go viral, but I still made 20K in just 2 months, even over 60. And I did it with absolutely no experience. In this video, I'm going to share how I followed a simple blueprint that absolutely anyone can use, why it shocked me more than anyone else, and how you can start to apply the exact same principles and steps I use to start creating financial freedom for yourself. But here's the twist. You might think that you need to go viral, spend hours on social media, or already be tech savvy. That's exactly what I thought too. Stick with me because what I discovered could change everything for you. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of two. I've been where you're at, wanting more time, more income without the overwhelm. Now I'm here to help you build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. The first shock was how simple the system actually was. I thought this is going to be way over my head. Instead of trying to figure it out on my own, I followed the step-by-step plan that was laid out in front of me. And the truth, I didn't need a degree in financing. I didn't need any marketing experience, and I didn't need to spend thousands of dollars to get started. I simply plugged into the proven digital marketing system, and the results came faster than I expected. If I could do this over 60, then imagine what you could do. Ready to learn how this all fits together? Grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide that I followed when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. The second surprise was how quickly I started to see income coming in. I had been used to trading my time for money for years, working 40 plus hours a week. But when I earned my first $1,200 in a day, it felt unreal. In fact, that one day equaled more than 2 weeks of 40 hours a week. And that's when I realized this wasn't just income, it was a path to freedom. Couldn't you also use that kind of relief right now? Thinking this makes sense, but you need to know more about how it all fits together? Then get my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact guide I used when I started, and it breaks it down step by step. Another thing I didn't expect was that I didn't need to go viral. We've all seen big influencers that are earning millions of dollars, but I didn't need to do that. With this system, I simply connected with the right audience. And that's why, even without a massive following, I was able to earn $20,000 in about 2 months. If you've ever thought I'm too late or I don't have any kind of an audience, let me assure you both of those are not true. You need to get a clearer picture about how this all fits together, then grab my free Freedom Formula blueprint. It's the same guide I used when I got started, and it's totally free. But let's be honest, was it always easy? No. Were there moments I doubted myself? Yes. Times when I thought, who am I to do this at my age? But I leaned into the step-by-step system. Every time I felt stuck, I went back to the proven plan and the step-by-step system, and it works. The proof is in the numbers. So if you've ever thought you're not tech savvy enough or you're too old to learn something new, I promise you, if I can do this, you can too. Want to learn how this all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning online. The biggest takeaway for me is realizing that I had a choice. For years, I thought my income was capped by my career, my energy, or my hours. This digital marketing system showed me a new way of earning income, one that grows when I'm not actually working. And that's the kind of freedom I want for you too. Imagine what your life would look like if you no longer had to trade your time for every dollar that came in. I didn't go viral, but I earned 20K in just 2 months by simply following a proven blueprint. And if I can do it with absolutely no experience, then you can too. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What would an extra $1,200 a day mean for you right now? Would it mean less stress, more freedom? Would it mean more peace of mind, more ease paying bills? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one of your comments and I want to cheer you on. Don't forget to subscribe to more videos like this so you don't miss the next step to your digital success. Now that you know I didn't go viral and I still earned 20K in just 2 months, you might be wanting to learn how to start earning income online for women over 60. No experience needed. It all starts with watching this next video. When you pair what you just learned with what's on the next video, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.